back to my channel. Today we are going to be diving back under the sea where I will be showing you how to create this Mer-mazing wearable mermaid look. This is a look that you can wear any day of the week. It is not a Halloween look, so it's definitely wearable. It's beautiful, it's glowy, so if you guys would like to see how I achieved this look, then let's go back under the sea and I will show you. I did apply my liquid foundation and setting powder along with some concealer beforehand. So you guys just follow whatever steps that you take for applying your foundation. And I'm just going to skip through that and show you how to do the eyes and the cheeks and the lips. And today I will be using my new mermaid makeup brushes that my husband got me for our anniversary a couple months ago. These are by Blackheart. He purchased them from Hot Topic. I was super excited when I seen these, and I can't wait to try them out and see how they work. I have my mermaid juice here, and we are ready to get rolling. First, I'm going to start off with an eyeshadow primer. This one is by NYX called Proof It. It's just a waterproof eye primer. It's going to help my eyeshadow stay a little bit longer on my eyes. Now I will be curling my eyelashes. If you guys want to know what foundation and setting powder I use, I will post that down in the description below. Now I will be taking this cream eyeshadow by Maybelline. It is in the color Bad to the Bronze. I'm going to be just laying this down as a base. Now I will be taking my mermaid eyeshadow brush and this L'Oreal Paris eyeshadow in the color Green Promenade. Just going to sweep a little bit of this on my brush and go on the outer corners of my eyes. This is just a nice smoky green color. Now I will be applying Maybelline's The Glo Down to the center of my eyelids using that same mermaid brush. I love this look. It is such a subtle look, but definitely gives you that mermaid vibes feeling. Gonna be alright. Next, I'm taking a green eyeliner by Sephora in the color Chlorophyll. I'm gonna line the bottom of my eyes. Taking a black gel eyeliner, I'm gonna line the inside of my upper lash line. Again, may look painful, but it's really not, as long as you apply it carefully. Now taking a liquid liner, I will be lining the top eyelash line. Just a nice, clean, thin line, nothing too dramatic, no cat eyes here. Now I will be taking my NYX Worth the Hype mascara and applying a few coats to my lashes. Now we are moving on to blush and bronzer. First I will be bronzing my cheeks with E.L.F. Warm Bronzer. And let's see. top of my forehead. I just want to have a really nice mermaid glow. Bring it down my jawline. And a little bit down the sides of my nose. And now with a blush brush, I am going to be applying blush. This is Wet n Wild in the color Pearlescent Pink. I'm just going to be patting this on the apples of my cheeks. And now to add some highlighter, I am using the Kardashian Beauty in the shade Aurora. Down the bridge of my nose. Alright, we are almost there. Next we are applying a lipstick by Revlon. This is in the color Tutti Frutti. And I love this color. It is a very beautiful orange color. It's a lip butter, so it does not go on as pigmented as it looks in the package here. And lastly, we are just going to finish this look off with a finishing spray. This is NYX Matte Finish. It's a long-lasting finishing spray to make the makeup last all day long. And that is it. This look is complete. I hope you all enjoyed this Wearable Mer-mazing makeup tutorial. Let me know down in the comments below if you decide to try this makeup look out. Be sure to give it a thumbs up if you liked the video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to watch more fun videos coming your way. Have a magical day. Bye!